Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. I apologize for the delay. We had some tech issues and they are now fixed. Some updates that conflicted, but we had to enable, then disable, and update bits and pieces. So we're now up and running, and once again, I apologize. Big day today, huge day for the channel. First of all, we've got record-breaking videos popping all over the place. Sensei did an amazing job yesterday with his AI video on FFIE. It's now our 7th most popular video of all time and rising up the hit parade list very, very quickly. So congratulations to Sensei for that. Brilliant stuff indeed. We've also got an interview coming up today talking about AI, talking about technology, data, security, enterprise. On the day, of course, we have NVIDIA earnings. It couldn't be better timing. We are talking to a new emerging company in the space of AI, technology, data, enterprise, and all the rest of it. They are on the show today. The CEO is live on my show today in 2.25 hours. A video and a presentation you cannot afford to miss. You really, really want to make sure that you watch this today. You can ask questions directly with the CEO at the face of all of this, and you can talk about AI, data, security, all the rest of it directly today to our CEO. Now, it will be, of course, members only to speak to the CEO. It will be a members only event. We want to have the best respectability, of course, to our guest. So we'll be members only to make sure that we don't have the bots and trolls in. Very, very important. And that's all coming up. Then we've got, of course, the earnings tonight for NVIDIA. So it's a huge day today. Absolutely huge. All right. Now, my portfolio, as you can see, is another all-time high. We are down very, very slightly. But, of course, it's the yesterday was the 21st of May. That's the day I get paid on YouTube. So my wages, just like everybody else, my wages goes into my portfolio and is able to pay off some margin. So that's what I'm doing. I'm paying down my margin. So my portfolio is up today. I mean, the balance is up. The market is down very slightly today. But as you can see, I am up. And you will see I've got an all-time high of $89,115. Now, you will see, of course, because I'm using margin, that I'm beating the market when it's up and I'm losing the market when it's down, because that's what margin does. It exaggerates the ups and the downs. But the exaggeration will get less and less, because as the margin gets paid off, the percentage will get less. It will come into balance. Ultimately, I'll pay back all my margin, and then I'll basically my portfolio will identically follow the S&P. That's how it works. Anyway, let me just, as I've had some technical issues, let me just check my interview screen. Yeah, that's fine. That's where our guest will be this afternoon. We're very excited about that. So that's all ready to rock and roll. Okay, let me read the comments. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi, Chris. Good morning, Jay Long. Hi, Jay. Good morning, Mike. Hi, Steve. Good morning, Wilford. Morning to you, Wilford. How are you this morning? Lovely to have you here. Got a new guest. Would everyone say hello to Wilford this morning? Where are you from? What country? We go live to 61 countries, 14 languages. Love to know where you're from. Welcome to you. Welcome, Wilford. There you go. Mike, one of our long-standing members, been a member now for 2 years. Giving you a nice welcome there. Who going to get Martyn today? Who's going to get Martyn mad today? Nobody. Nobody. Change of policy today. I'm not going to engage in it anymore. We're interviewing CEOs. The channel's growing. We got to take things a little bit more seriously. We do want to answer everyone's questions, but we're not having rudeness. We're not having silliness. We're not having swearing and any of that stuff. That we don't want that on our channel. That's not what this channel's about at all. Leah said to me last night, and she absolutely said it spot on. She said last night it was like the Jerry Springer show. And I do not want the Jerry Springer show. That's not what we're about. Every day firing people up so we can have rows and shout and we get... No. We're here to make money, invest, build a family, support, positive energy. We're not for the other stuff. There's other places for that. That's not what we do. All right. Hi, Octavio. Good morning to you. Lovely to have you here. How are you today? Octavio. Nonny315. Octavio, 1 year badge now, I see. You'll be going to the 2 years soon. Hi, Octavio. Darren Knight. And of course, at 2 years, you are welcome into the VIP club as well, which would be very, very cool. Just checking a couple of things. Yeah, we're all good. Nothing, no negativity. No, none at all. Keeps Mike too busy. He can't be doing with that. Ed Nevius. Good morning, Ed. How are you? Hi, Mike. Nonny315. Thank you for your video yesterday, Ed. Top gainer, low float, heavy volume, float rotation. We had a video that's gone out on a new stock, and it's doing okay today. So that's interesting. Look forward to your next one. Anis Syed, good morning. Good morning, pal. Eric J, good morning to you. Welcome, welcome. Egypt, says Anis Syed. Wonderful. I've been to Egypt many, many times. I've been to the capital, Cairo, of course. I've done all the usual stuff. But I've been all over Egypt on the local trains that the locals use, and had a wonderful time in Egypt, from north to south, east to west of Egypt. Welcome to you. I think we have... Do we have a member from Egypt? Because we have 61 countries. If you become a member of our channel, we can fly the flag for you. Let me see. Do we have Egypt represented here today? We have 61 countries: Chile, USA, England, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, South Africa, Argentina, Germany, Dominican Republic, Mexico, Denmark, Mauritius, Czech Republic, Lithuania, Romania, Morocco, Costa Rica, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Croatia, Israel, Netherlands, Rwanda, Palestine, Iran, Jamaica, Taiwan, South Korea, Ecuador, France, Russia, New Zealand, Georgia, Iceland, Hungary, India, Switzerland, Poland, Belgium, United Arab Emirates, Oman, Singapore, Scotland, Wales, Cuba, Brazil, Afghanistan, Libya, Sweden, Bulgaria, Syria, and Latvia. So no, we do not have a 62 country, which would be Egypt. So if you become a member of our channel, you will have the flag. You will own the flag for Egypt. It will forever fly with your name on it. So Anis Syed, let me give you the link if you wish to become a member. There is the link. If you are on an iPhone or an iOS device, you need to be on a browser on that device and then select desktop version. Then it will work. Every other link works everywhere. It's just iPhone, just iOS. You need to be on a browser and then select desktop version. You get many, many perks. It's here to help people. You can have reviews done. You can have, we can do earnings for you. We have members only videos, members only live chats. Today's special event will be members only. There are members videos you can go back and see that are now that are always members only. Members live streams. We do events that only members get to see live. There's many, many things you get. Too many things to mention. If I give you this video here, it'll tell you all the things that you get and birthday celebrations, you name it. Here is the how and the why to become a member. It's only a couple of bucks. It's there to help you. There is the information just there. All right. Hi, Mike. Egypt. BZFD. I'm watching for a pullback scalp today. BZFD. Okay, that's what you're watching today. Let me do it then. Let me add that to the favorite. I'll come back to that. Thoughts on Soundhound? Soundhound today. A question. Juan0337. I've just got, okay, you want latest information on Soundhound? I'll give it to you. We've just done a chart for you. Latest information just out. If you go to the homepage of the channel, if you go to videos, you'll see we've just put out this video here with Sensei and Faraday. It's our fastest growing video of all time. we keep setting new records. Just a few days ago, our fastest video of all time was this one. This one here, FFI chart. It's now this one, the fastest growing video of all time. There it is, 100 times our normal growth. So anyway, you asked about SoundHound, so let's go. Just 2 days ago, we gave you all the buys, the sells, the levels, the resistance, the support. A lot of information here. It's only a 4-minute video. Let me give you the information. Share, copy link. Here we go. I'll give this to you now. This is the SoundHound latest information. Okay, so here it comes. SOUN. There is your SoundHound. I'll also give it to my Rumble audience because we have a Rumble audience. Do we have one of our subscribers in from Rumble today, which is the same as a YouTube member? I want to give them. I want to give him all his perks. I think it was Dragon Z, wasn't it? If you are in, let me know. Come in the chat. I've been trying to give you all your perks and benefits. I just keep missing you, but I am looking out for you, all right? Okay, so there you go. There is the video that you might want. Now, also, if you are a SoundHound investor, if you go to the playlist up here, right, you will find a SoundHound playlist as well. And as we post news, information, you can be kept up to date. You can follow a playlist as well. I'm just scrolling down to try and find it for you. We've done over 200 reviews, different companies. So there's a lot of information here, but it's all there for you. I'm just trying to find SoundHound as you asked, and then I'll move on to the next question. I have to focus on the members, so I can't stay on this point. Oh, there we go. Too long. There you go. With the latest video that Sensei put out there. Look, see? So if I give you the link to this, if I click on the playlist, there's the playlist, you see? There. And what I want to do, how do I do that now? I've just clicked on the wrong thing. Yeah. Clicked on the wrong thing. I meant to click on the playlist. What did I do? Bear with me. I just made a mistake there. You think I would know, right? It's my channel. Let me try and find it again. How far down did I go? Oh, there we go. Right, view. That's what I meant to do. Whoops, sorry, it's off the screen. View full playlist. If I click view full playlist, there you go. Now I can get the link to share to you. All right, so that is the SoundHound playlist. All the videos, all the facts, all the information, all the analysis. Any of our stocks, we do this. So let me give you the playlist. So share, copy. There you go. You see. I'll come back to here in a minute, just so the screen looks a bit clearer. So here we go. Is the sound playlist. For anyone who wants to know all about SoundHound. Okay, there you go. All right, makes sense? All good? Fantastic. Let me come back to the homepage, just tidy up a little bit. I'll also give that to my Rumblers as well. Good morning, Rockish. Mindset, good morning. If you see, my Rumble audience, if you see Dragon, I can't remember what his second name was. Let me know because he's a subscriber to the channel. He gets lots of perks and benefits to the channel. He wanted to get onto Discord to be able to do the scalp trading with Ed Nevius. So if you do see him in the chat, can you let me know? And I'll jump back in again and make sure that I update him because he needs to be updated. All right. Due diligence, absolutely right. AKS, good morning all. Lucas family. Leah in the other room. Hi, Leah. Yes, back at the house, watching from Egypt. Wonderful to have you here. Port St. Lucie, Florida. Wonderful. FFIE back to 4 cents. Yeah, I think FFIE and GameStop are both going down. This is GameStop at the moment, had a little bit of a rebounce this morning, but yeah, it keeps on going down. Ever since we were looking at it, we said it topped out. It's got no support really this time. People on Reddit are telling me that you don't know who's behind it and all these Reddit rooms. I mean, it really isn't, and it's great and everything, but you can't go against the institutions, the SEC, the government. I mean, it's just silly. It's great that you feel that way, but it's not going to happen. Things are put in place this time to prevent it from happening again. FFIE, we gave you lots of information last night on it, but again, I still think it's going ultimately down to zero because ultimately the company is going bankrupt. There's no two ways about that, no matter how passionate you are to make money, and that's great. We want everyone to make money, but the point is we don't want people to lose their money, and so far, everybody who jumped on in with the GameStop thing has lost money. I mean, you're all losing money. The stock just keeps going down. All right. Now, of course, you short the stock. I get it. You're making money betting on it going down, but the lower that gets, the more dangerous that gets as well. Anyway, hi Stacey. Good morning. What do you think in space, Adlane? What I think of space? Well, we've said and we've shown you the chart that we believe it's going to $100, and we've explained why, and we've given you specifics. Again, on the homepage of the channel, we've just done, we've got a whole playlist. You saw me show it earlier, but we've just done a full chart on Virgin Galactic for you, the buy zones, the sell zones. I'll give you also the link to that. There you go. That's just the single video, not the playlist, but go and have a look at it. Let me drop it in the chat. Let me give it to you right now. All the information you need. I'll also, whoops-a-daisy. I'll also give it to my Rumble audience as well, should you wish to see it. Of course, the Rumblers, you've got your own videos. You've got your own playlist. No, in fact, you don't have playlist, do you? But you do have the Virgin Galactic chart video, exactly the same on Rumble. Hi, Mike. You are welcome in Egypt anytime. That's very nice. Anis Saeed, thank you so much. And lovely country, such history and passion. The show is rolling. Yes, it is, Saul. From Haiti, lovely. Bill said, I sent you a message on a stock thing. I guess you missed it. No, I'm reading every comment, Bill. It sounds like your list needs to be alphabetized. Well, let me, the way it works is, you mean the playlist, you have the option to sort it any way you like. This is the playlist. These are all the playlists. All right. YouTube do all that. You click sort by, date added, newest, latest video. YouTube don't allow you to sort by alphabetical order. They sort by date added, newest, latest video added. So that's how it's done. So that's why, in fact, sort by date at last video added. There you go. That's what. See, there you go. You could do it that way. That's a good idea. Thank you for that tip. Latest date added, newest. That's the playlist, newest. Sort by last video added. There you go. Thank you very much, GoDB. I've learned something there. That's brilliant. I'm now sorting by last video added. So you can see we've just gone live. So there is the live show. See, there's the live shows, and FFIE was last night, and of course these are the very latest videos. Yeah, that's good. That's much better. WYY, meet the CEO. Yeah, Virgin Galactic, right, Soundtown, look, right near the top. Yeah, that's a great idea. GoDB, I've learned something there, and I like it. That's a great idea. Anyone else, you can do the same thing. Sort your playlist like that, and you will find the latest playlist with the latest action in them. That's a good idea, that. GoDB, I'm going to give you a nice big round of applause there. Thanks, mate. That was good. Didn't know about that. Always learning. Britt Jordan. Jordan. Do we have a member from Jordan today? Did we call out Jordan earlier? I've been to Jordan too. I sang outside Petra in the desert. I sang Pavarotti in the desert. No, we don't have a member in Jordan. Libya, Israel, Iran. No, we don't have Jordan yet. So if you become a member of our channel, you will get to fly the flag. I do it live on the show. You'll get to fly the flag for Jordan. There you go. I would like to fly the flag for Jordan, please. Brit Holland, you certainly can, but it's a member's perk. You have to be a member of the channel, and then you will represent Jordan. Absolutely. You will represent Jordan, but you have to be a member. How do you become a member? This is how you become a member. All right. There is the information right there. If you are on an iOS device, you will need to use a browser and then select desktop version. Day of work. Wife had doctor's appointment, walking the kids to school. Beautiful day out. Going to be good soon. Hope everyone else is too. Good. Thank you, Jay. Jenny, good morning. Seth Houston. PDDS earnings going on now. PDD. I could have covered it for you, GoDB, if you'd requested it. It's a member's benefit. You can request an earnings. Thank you. Wan, you're very welcome. Guten Morgen from Germany. How are you? There are plenty of shares for shorting on FFIE. SYTA added to watch as well. Okay, I've got 2 videos to do now. Thank you. Hello, Sensei. If Holo stock price for $4, will you join? If Holo stock price to $4, I will join immediately. Great stuff. Hi, Mike. Bill, what's your YouTube? I will subscribe to add you one more subscriber towards your goal. That's my contribution to help you one step closer. There you go, Bill. How about that? Stacey Bailey. Morning, everyone. You have any fun plans this weekend? Memorial weekend, Martin. I think I'm going to invite some family. I'm off on Monday. There's no show on Monday, of course, bank holiday Monday, but no plans other than me and Leah will probably go out to a nice restaurant. That's what we like to do. Hello, Martin. Sorry about the negative feels yesterday. Today is a new day and a good chance for recovery. Chris, that's very nice of you to say so, but don't worry about that, mate. You were having a hard day yesterday. I understand your frustration in the stock. Perfectly understandable. J.A. Latang has just subscribed to Extra. J&A Latang, 99 cents. You are a member. You now have access to 12 hours a day. Hang on, what's going on here? Let me just check something a minute. Why isn't that showing up? Oh, there it is. If you become a member of the Extra channel, 99 cents, you will have access to 12 hours a day support from our members. You'll be able to chat 12 hours a day without any bots, any trolls, anything like that, and get support from the family. It's a great service. A lot of people love that service. All right. Hey, Chris, today, so Chris, please don't apologize. You were very frustrated by people shorting a great cancer company that's solving cancer. I think it's a great shame as well. I don't like it, as you know. Hey, Martin, will you do me a big favor? Oh, there we go.
Michael N has become a member on Extra.
There he is. Michael N is now our latest member on Extra. 1 month. There you go. He's got his 1 month badge. Fantastic. Congratulations to you. That's live 12 hours a day. So you can come in there, ask questions. It's a lot of our earnings, when we do double earnings, are in here, members only. So it's for 99 cents. That's all it costs. And you can have the peace of mind knowing you've got support and no trolls and bots. It's a great comfort. You can chat 12 hours a day and get support. It's really great. From like 7 to 7 in the evening. It's all day long. Hello, Faith. How are you? Sorry for the lack of punctuations in my last text. Not at all. Not at all. I missed your question. Martin, will you do me a big favor? Only when you get a quick chance. If you could find out what platform Alat is trading on. It's a semiconductor company. Just found out them only when you can. What was it called? Alat. Is it on? Let's have a look. Let's see if it's on Robinhood. Alat. No, it's not on Alat. Lucas, can someone tell me? Sensei, Lucas, Mike, Alat. It's ticker symbol ALAT. What platform is it on? It's not on Robinhood. I can see that. So help one of our members out would be great. Unfortunately, the whole video is slowing down. Unfortunately, the video is slowing down. What does that mean, slowing down, Sensei? Unfortunately, the video is slowing down. Oh, your video. Yeah. You know why? You didn't use my face. Tilray is up pre-market. I had 550 subscribers yesterday. Today, 640. Wow. Yeah, a lot of the members last night, Bill, subscribed to you. There was lots of chat going on in Discord, which you missed because you're not in Discord. And lots of our members went and subscribed to you yesterday. So there you go. Good morning. Will you share my message to you? I made a personal message on my situation. No, Bill, I'm not going to share a personal email to me from you on the show. No, I'm not going to do that. You can tell people in the chat. I'm not going to share an email. I don't want to disclose anyone's email on the show. And for security, we don't share private emails like that. Okay, now then, I've got to be very, very quick. Here we go. So, BZFD. 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 BuzzFeed. Okay, let me get to this. Um, 30. BZFD. Okay, I'm watching, but right, okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas, trying to bring you latest scalp trade stocks that are moving very quickly. Top gainers, low float, heavy volume, and float rotation. These are provided by Ed Nevius, and you can get full scalp trading for free. It's what you get as a member on our Discord server. Details are below this video. Just got this latest information, and BuzzFeed is up 55%. This is a very, very quick mini review, latest news information. We are showing an undervaluation of 77%, and that is regarded as accurate. No warnings there today. Scrolling on down, we've got revenue is down 9% on the most recent range. Operating income is up 35%. Net income is up 0.4%. If we move down to the balance sheet, 299 million in assets, 225 million liabilities, and there you go. You can see that no long-term or short-term debt. Okay, scrolling on down, 48% gross margins. We've got a profitability score of 30, not too bad at all, and a solvency score of 34%. So it's not going bankrupt in the very short term or even the medium term. It's an okay balance sheet. We're showing 142% upside. At worst case scenario, 145% upside as an average. And we are looking at the best scenario.
Brit Holland has become a member.
Brit Holland, I'll come back to you in just a moment. Put your country in. What country are you from? I've forgotten now. Wall Street target 152 on an upside. Best scenario. Moving on down, insiders have recently been selling the stock. Short interest only 5.64, and sentiment on the stock is, let's have a look at the sentiment. It's moving from 47% positive to 28%. Last 7 days, it's moved up to 66%. 60%, and today it's 100% good news. So a lot of hype around this stock right now. It's BuzzFeed. There's a lot of buzz around the stock. BZFD. Tap the like button, share this out. This might become our latest trending stock. Remember, stocks like this, very often we rank #1 in the world on YouTube. Now, if you have a favorite stock, something you'd like featured, become a member of our channel. We'll cover it for you. And I go live 12 hours a day, and your stock can very, very quickly become a trending stock on YouTube. We're here to help people. I'm not here to pump and dump the stock. I only own the S&P, but I am here to bring great news, information, latest stocks on top gainers, low float, heavy volume, float rotation, provided by Ed Nevius, who does your scalp trading in Discord. So if you want any of those links, if you want to look at my alpha spread, you just saw the most advanced AI software, the way I review stocks. My members can get a free plan of that, or a premium version, which is what I use, above my head. It's also down below in the description as well. Go and check out Alpha Spread. My members get the best deal, better than CNBC, Bloomberg. The discount that you get makes my membership for free. Lifetime discount. You can't afford to miss that. All right. Also, if you click that below in the description, you'll find the link. Oh, hello.
Simon Jones has become a member.
New member. Very busy morning. Thank you, guys. All the perks and benefits. I'll come to you in a minute. Look below in the description. You will find the playlist of BuzzFeed. As this stock starts to trend on YouTube, as it will, nearly all of our stocks are #1 now on YouTube for the search term BZFD stock. Give it a week. I promise you it will be there. The link for the playlist will be over here. And over here, I will put that playlist right there, so you can keep updated with BuzzFeed. And down here, my full Alpha Spread playlist. I've reviewed now over 200 stocks using the most advanced algorithmic software, giving you the information. Remember, I'm not here to pump and dump at all. I don't own it. I'm here to provide you with the best, most honest, real information live 12 hours a day. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, SYTA. Now, just before I do SYTA, we're talking mobiles today. We're talking mobiles on the show. We've got to meet the CEO today live on the show. Talking AI. We're talking security. Very, very big, a massive day today for the channel. Massive day for NVIDIA as well. Of course, it's earnings tonight. We'll be covering that. Right. Now then, before I move on, this is an interesting one. We've got a market cap here of 1 million. This is going to be absolutely huge on our channel then. We can move stocks when they are 1 million market cap. Absolutely, 100%. Simon Jones just became a member, and Britt Holland. Now, guys, if you've just become a member of our channel, there are so many perks. I can't tell you all about them anymore. I used to, but it takes so long. There are so many things. Here is the why and the how of being a member, all the benefits, all the perks. There it is. I'll post it twice. If you watch that video, it will tell you how to get access to Ed Nevis' scalp trading training. It's free. We don't charge like Meet Kevin. It's free. We provide it for free. It's paid knowledge that we have learned through training schemes and proper training programs, and now we give it to you for free. And if you want to take advantage of all of that, watch that video. It will tell you how you can order from me earnings, how you can order from me reviews of stocks, how you can have a birthday celebration, members only videos, members only live streams, members only chats, support on social media, access to the 12-hour service. It's all explained in that video. If you look below on the main page of the channel as well, what you will find is members only live streams, members only videos, which you now have access to. And as I say, when the show gets busy, I will answer only members, and I will answer all of my members. Every member gets their questions answered live on the show. I don't think any other YouTube channel does that. I'm live 12 hours a day to provide that service. Remember, it's all provided to the members. Okay, I'm here 12 hours a day. Now then, Britt Holland, Simon Jones, let me know your countries, and I will add your flags to the country list if I've not already done so. Now, Britt Holland has mentioned Discord, so I'm going to tell you how to do it very quickly. Very, very quickly, because I have to move on. The video is the best way to get the information. Here it is, Alpha Spread. There is the link. There is the most advanced algorithmic software to review stocks. My members get a free plan of that and a lifetime discount as well. Strongly recommend you use it. I use it to review my stocks all the time, and you can access that for free, or if you want the full program like I do, my membership makes it for free, okay, with the discount that you get. All right, there's Alpha Spread. There's the music channel. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. Every Friday night in our music channel, we have live concerts. We have fundraisers, we have lots of fun, and I will do your favorite, one free request for you because you've just become a member. If you want to become a member, there's the link right there. If you want to follow me on Instagram, there is Instagram. There is Facebook. There is Rumble. Here's the shop if you want to get yourself one of the mugs and become one of our mugs who have all the merchandise. You can have all of that, and we play it on the screen and we share it with you. As I'm showing you this now, I'll bring it up. These are our Lucas mugs. There's more pictures about to be added this weekend, so just please bear with me. Here is our Lucas mugs. I'll just put it on the screen so you can see it. Just 1 second. There you go. Here's our Lucas mugs. Look. Here's the team. Now, while I'm sharing that with you, I'll give you some more links here. Here is X. Now, this is where I post my trades, my information about the stocks, the earnings. Before I do it, I tell you I'm buying the S&P. Before I do it, not after I do it, I tell you how much I'm buying, how much I'm spending, how much my portfolio is. Everything is there. There's my X. There is the all links button. That puts all these links in one place, martynlucas.com. Now, you just mentioned, there's the extra channel, by the way. We're live 12 hours a day in the extra channel if you want to be in there. You asked specifically about Discord. Here are the 2 steps for Discord. There it is. There are the 2 steps. Click on that link for Discord. It will take 10 minutes to get through security, so you'll need to do it. All my coffee's just arrived. Thank you, Leah, very much. Let me just do this. Leah, my wife's turned up. Big moment on the show, everybody. Round of applause for Leah. Why not, eh? Why not? Why not get round of applause for all 62 countries around the world? Special moment. Great TV, this. I drink my tea and give it to my wife. Thank you, Leah. There you go. Great moment on TV there. That's what you call TV gold. If you want one of my mugs, you can get these from the shop. The links are all below. I guarantee the best financial advice you'll ever get. My mugs make you money. There's no doubt about it. Right. So anyway, when you click on Discord, it takes 10 minutes to get through security. We have the highest level of security. However, we still get bots and scammers, unfortunately. But anyway, we do our best. Once you've done that, you will not see anything. Thinking, well, why bother then? When you do that, you will see nothing at all. You need to add me as a friend. Confirm it's you here in the chat, and I will upgrade your account and make you a member of Discord. And as long as you are a YouTube member, you have access. Once you're not, you don't. Okay? So you can't scam and bot it. That's not what we want. Okay? So once you've done that, send me a friend request. Now, send a friend request as it is spelled in the chat correctly, because my name, if it's spelled incorrectly, you'll end up, there's loads of copycats waiting to scam you. So please be very, very careful. All right, please be very, very careful doing that. And then come into the chat like it says in the video. If you go and watch the video, when you come into the video, then into the live chat, tell me your username. I will go and look on Discord and I will upgrade you. All right. Now, this is Discord, and you can see I've got all these new members popping in all the time. Now, this might be you. I don't know. We've got someone called DOROGO. I don't know who this is. I have no idea. Well, if that's you, the person that's just become a member, I'll upgrade that person. So you'll get access. That's how we do it. We don't just let people in. We're not trying to grow the biggest Discord. We're trying to grow the best Discord, because we don't want to give Ed Nevius a million clowns that he has to try and teach to scalp trade. We want to help our members of our family. That's it. All right. We don't care if we only have one member. Doesn't matter to me. We want the best service. All right. Now then, I've got one more to do. I've got 10 minutes to go. Saita. Sayata. Let's have a quick look. Okay, here we go. Sayata. So we are now at 40 minutes. This is SIYATA. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Every day we try to bring you the latest scalp trading stocks. This is not financial advice, but we do offer training. It's free. We don't charge for it with Ed Nevis on Discord. Today's top gainer, low float, heavy volume, float rotation stock is Sayata Mobile, SYTA, up 72% today. We're giving you the warnings before it happens. We're letting you know what's going on. So tap the like button if you want to know all about this. We provide the information for you live 12 hours a day. Yes, we are live 12 hours a day. Let's have some more details at the stock. Sayata doesn't have a meaningful market cap. It's very, very small. I guarantee you within 2-3 days, no more than a week, we will rank number 1 on YouTube for the stock. Search term SYTA stock, as we do for 99% of our stocks we cover. No problem at all. And a stock this small, if my reviews are bullish, it tends to move the stock. Just saying, right? This is not financial advice. I don't pump it. I don't dump it. I don't own it. I only own the S&P, just so you know. So we've got an undervaluation here of 99%, but with such limited information, you cannot tell. 8.8 revenue million, very small, up 7%, expected to explode. So that's very interesting, of course. That's why the stock's moving today. Operating income up 13%, net income up 16%. We've got investing cash flow down 27%. That's a positive. Operating cash flow up 24%. That's a positive too. 14.3 million in assets, 7.3 million liabilities. What about the long-term debt, short-term debt? Very, very small short-term debt, long-term debt. If you look at it, the long-term debt is only 4.68. That means this balance sheet will be good when I get to it, and I'm going to see it in real time. I'm using Alpha Spread software, the most advanced AI software you can use anywhere. That's why I use it. My members get access to this for free, or the premium version, which is what I'm using, by the way, to see all this, for a lifetime discount, which makes my membership for free. CNBC, Bloomberg do not offer these deals. 24% profitability at the moment, but look at the solvency score, 48%. It's not going bust. Low DE, long-term solvency is good. Only positive net debt and short-term solvency has a red against it. Moving on down, scrolling. There's no more information on that. We've got a 10% short interest, 10% short position on the stock. That's interesting. So there you go. There's our latest low float, high volume, top gainer for you today. This will rank on our channel. I'm not giving it a buy rating or sell rating. This is not a fundamental technical review. Maybe on Sunday show, join Sensei on Sunday. He more than likely, thank you, Mike, on Sunday on our Sensei Sunday show. If you ask him and you are a member of our channel and you're interested, I'm sure he would do a technical review on this stock. Follow it up, then we can start to work out, is it a good investment rather than a scalp trade, quick in and out. Click the like button to share this out if you want more people to know about this, and the stock will move, I'm sure. Click above my head for all the links. If you want the Alpha Spread, it's up there for you. Down below in the description, I'll also put it there. Further information as well, how to become a member, all the rest of it. Also down here at the top of the comments and top of the description, I will pin the playlist to this stock so you can learn more about it as we bring it out. I'm sure there'll be more information to follow, and we will bring it out to you. Over here, I'll put the playlist for Sayata. It's brand new, the first time we've ever covered it. And down here, my full Alpha Spread playlist. Nearly 200 stocks that I've reviewed, and every single one above Bloomberg, CNBC, Mad Money, Jim Cramer, always arrive on Alpha Spread. Every single one. They like my reviews and they post them all. I'm very proud of that, actually. Something I'm very proud of, that all my video full analysis reviews make it there. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Alrighty then. 2 videos that will come out later on today. Okay, CTNT, Adam Peters. CT Adam Peters. I can't look at a stock unless you are a member. We have to focus on our members. Okay. Someone's asking me what my track record is. Okay, I'll give you a few statistics. I left home at 6. I mean, I don't think anyone else on YouTube TV or anywhere will give you this amount of information, but I will. I left home at 16. I started my own business the day I left home. I've toured all around the world as the world piano man, as voted by Sir Elton John. I've had my own Vegas show. I've produced my own show. I've starred in it. I've run it for many, many years. I had 8 years, in fact. I had 8 years and I had about 35 full-time employees. When the credit crunch came, when the Lehman Brothers thing crashed and America sneezed and England got a cold, the theatre industry went down the toilet overnight. I declared myself bankrupt. I've only ever been bankrupt once, even though I had a perfect credit score in America and in the UK. I decided that the business would not be able to grow, so I decided to end the business. So I declared myself bankrupt because the debts we had could not be serviced. That was the right thing to do. From that moment on, I've always made profit. I made profit then. That wasn't my fault that the banks crushed the economy. I then built my business up around the world. I own my own home. I have no debts. I have no loans. I have no car loan. I started with $5,000 on my portfolio, and as you can see, I'm now worth $64,000, $24,000, and my overall balance is $89,000. I've never shorted a stock. I don't do margin. How about that? I've grown a YouTube channel that was on 0 subscribers 3 years ago, just about to hit 25,000 subscribers. Would you like to see that? Let me bring it up on the screen right now. There it is, 24,636 rolling round all the time. I now live on YouTube. I don't have one YouTube channel. In fact, I have a TV network. I have 3 YouTube channels, all of which are monetized. How about that? So if you ask me for my record, that is my record. Judge me on my record. Judge me the fact that I'll answer everybody's questions. I will go live 12 hours a day. I don't just make videos and hide behind comments on videos, things like what Graham Stepan does and stuff like that. No, I'm live 12 hours a day. Here's behind the scenes. This is my studio. I answer everyone's questions. So what's my track record? That's my track record. And at the end of the day, this is not financial advice anyway. I don't own the stocks I'm talking about. I only own the S&P. I'm 100% invested. I'm a long-term investor. So I'm not pumping stocks, dumping stocks, not advising you to buy them. There you go. 100% of my portfolio is in the S&P, and that is it. So everything is true. Everything is real. Does that answer your question? I hope it does. We've got 1 minute to go. Martin, remember you're saying you want to be in the market before the summer and interest rates go down. Do you still believe that? Yes, absolutely right. I never leave the market. I'm never out of the market. I'm always in, 100%. Do we have a Jordan flag for Brit? No, we don't. We don't have I didn't see the country. Brit Holland, are you from Jordan? Just come back to me, please. Let me go members only because I'm missing some comments. This is why I go members only, because we miss comments from people talking nonsense. Right, let me go to members. There we go. So if you are a member, please come back with your comment. We're just about to ring the bell. Are you ready? Okay. Good morning. Oh, good morning to you. We need a coffee and toothpaste moment. I mean, yes. Thank you, Leah. Cheers, Leah. Okay, we got a few trolls in today. Well, you're gone because we're members only now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. The bell has gone. We are at the moment red. Let's turn the studio red. Big day today. I expect the studio to turn green today. Expect a big surprise with NVIDIA today. What are we going to get? Let's go for our positions. This is my live position. This is my real money, all my real money. This is my bank account on view for the whole world. Everything you see here is real. Everything is live. You can judge me on everything you see in front of you because I'm showing you my entire wealth in all the world. Hi, James, Lucasade family. Good morning, Mike. Good morning. So far, James, ready to ring the bell. Yes, good luck all. Let's get ready to rumble. Okay, here we go. All right, let's keep on going. Virgin Galactic going down today, 95 cents. We've got Palantir up today. AI is going to boom today. We've got a CEO today live on the show in AI, in security, coming up today in the show. You do not want to miss today's live interview. It's way too big, especially on the day that we have Nvidia earnings. The S&P is down but trying to push up. Okay, let's go. Amazon is up today. Apple is just going down. Nextera Energy down 0.97. Enphase Energy moving up today. Coca-Cola down. Defensive stocks. J&J $150. It's a $200 stock. Kenvue down very slightly. Chevron is down slightly. Tesla down. It's only worth 110 in my opinion. Rivian is going up today. McDonald's is also flat. It's flat right now. Google is down. Microsoft is up today, 0.56, doing very nicely. Nvidia, of course, going to $1,000. It could happen tonight. The markets are dumping. The S&P is dumping because they want to take profits to buy back, to buy the rally tonight. That's what's happening right now. No surprise. That's not a surprise to me at all. Walmart flat. Tilray Brands is up very slightly. Robinhood is moving up now. IonQ is going up. AI is going up today. Look, Rocket Lab is up 0.22. Plug Power is pretty much flat. Rumble is up today 0.96. Funware is down 1%. FFIE going down. In my opinion, it's going to zero. In my opinion, it's going to zero. I know you don't like to hear that. Sensei put out a video last night saying that AI thinks there's a very good chance that it's going to go up and short squeeze. That's all very well and good, and that gets thousands and thousands of views, which is great. You want to hear that news. On this channel, I just tell you how it is. All right? In my opinion, I believe Faraday is going to go into zero because they were being evicted from the premises. They can't pay the rent. There's no business there. They don't sell any cars. They don't make any money. It's going to zero. However, can you make money from it? Well, maybe. But since we started talking about it, it consistently keeps on going down. This is when it bounced up, and now it just keeps going down. So be very, very careful. Remember, a few days ago, this was 4 cents. It could be there in minutes. Rio Tinto down. Bitcoin today is up 0.27. We're reaching all-time highs again. Polygon down 1.19. XRP down 0.43. And GameStop also believe it's going to zero. Doesn't do much there either. Okay, people don't want any part of it other than the gamblers, and that's fine. But we are investors here. Let's go. Push stops up. SNDL is up. SYTA high of the day. There we go. It's moving. We've just been covering SYTA, so I can't wait to put that out. I will put that video out in just a moment. So we are in members only mode now, so we can make some videos. Okay. Now then, a huge day today. First of all, we have got Nvidia earnings tonight. Let's look here. If you scroll down to the bottom of the video, the channel, I beg your pardon, you will see upcoming live streams. That is next. The CEO interview is next. We are talking today AI, technology, data security, and enterprise. On the day, Nvidia is doing earnings. You cannot afford to miss this. Huge day today. You're going to speak to the CEO, at least members are. You're going to speak directly to the CEO today live in the show. You don't want to miss that. This broadcast, this live broadcast, will go directly to that live broadcast. Then we have the closing bell this afternoon. Then we have the earnings for Nvidia. Now remember, if you are a member of our channel and you want me to do an earnings for you or a full analysis for you, you can have that. All you do is you give me a super chat, whatever you like, and I will get up early in the morning and go late in the evening, and I will do the earnings for you or full analysis for you. You've got a choice how you do it. The super chat is up to you. We don't have a number on it, but bearing in mind, if you tip me $1, you're probably going to be at the bottom of the list. If you do $20, you'll probably be near the top. In fact, you will be the top right now. If you do $100 tip, it's a do it now request. In other words, we stop the show live and we do the review, a full analysis up to half an hour live on your favorite stock. That's happened 3 times. That's a rare occurrence, but it's happened 3 times. Okay, and that's all happened in the last month, I think, actually. Okay, right. There you go. That's what's happening. Now then, Martyn, can you explain free float and how that matters with trading? Shane Majors, when it comes to scalp trading and stuff like that, I'm going to always pass you to whoever is the best person. Fundamentals, that's me. Making the videos, that's me. The person that you want to speak to, crypto, is Sensei. Charts is Sensei. And Ed Nevius is all about the scalp positions. So Ed Nevius, got a question here in the chat. It's from Shane Majors. Martyn, can you explain free float and how that matters with trading? I'm gonna let Ed Nevius explain that one. He's the best person, most qualified to give you the answer. I am not a scalp trader. It's not my thing, and I don't want to give you the lesser service. Ed Nevius is the right person to give you that answer, and I'm sure Ed will do that either now in the chat or he'll do it in Discord later on when you can talk to him live, and I will talk to Ed and then provide perhaps an updated video as well. Okay, here we go. Now then, we're not going to be here for very long because I've got to prepare for a very, very important video. Yeah, that's not my expertise, I'm afraid. So I declined from that one. Let me make some very important videos today. Right, here we go. So we are in members only mode now, so we can keep the channel clean. Okay. Now, is Brit Holland from Jordan? Brit Holland, are you from Jordan? Are you in the chat today? Are you here? Did someone say you're from Jordan? Are you here? I didn't get that. I'm still looking for our member on Rumble. Rumble, I'm looking for Dragons, who became a subscriber, which is the same as becoming a member on YouTube. And I'm trying to give him all his benefits, but I don't see him in the chat since he became a member. So it's difficult to do that until he comes in. So that's my guest today on Rumble. We've got Zach1328. We've got Rakesh, Mindset. That they are every morning there with me. Thank you, guys. If you do see Dragon, let me know, and I will sort that out. I don't see any friend requests on Discord yet. Anyone new yet? So let me go to Discord just before I make these videos and see. So Mentor, I like to send you a message, so I've got you updated. Yes, I've done Mentor. So that's that one. I've got someone here called DR Zeros. I don't know who, so I got no idea who you are. So what I do is I send you a message like this, and hopefully we can track you down, because obviously you want to be part of it. So I need to explain how it works and upgrade you. But you do appreciate we get lots of people who are bots, scammers, trolls. So we have to have security in place. We don't just let everybody in because the channel would go crazy. It's enough of that as it is, but whatever. Right, there we go. That's the members up to date. Links for YouTube. I do have a link for YouTube. Ultra K, that was from yesterday. Okay, we've got some nonsense going on there. We're going to ignore that. Okay, fine. I haven't got time for that. Hang on a minute. hang on a minute, a bit of security thing here. I saw... Just checking something a minute, a moment. Mike, is Trichet a member of our channel? Can you remember yesterday, Trichet? Do you remember Trichet? Is he a member of our channel? I don't think he is he? I can check, but I'm pretty sure Mike may remember. Trichet, because you were timing him out yesterday. Was Trichet a member? I know RW was. But is he a member of this channel? Is he a member of the main channel? You're saying he's a member of the extra. Is he a member of this channel? Can you remember? I could go through the list, but I think you might remember. I'm pretty sure Trichet wasn't a member or isn't a member. Just want to... I don't think he is. And no, I don't think he is. Right, okay, that's what I thought. Okay. So... I'm just doing my audits, my paperwork. Okay, just taking care of business. Okay, that's done. Okay. Okay, that's taking care of that. I think he was, but wasn't yesterday. No. Yes, he was in the past, but he wasn't yesterday. That's what I thought. I have to keep everything right on the channel. Okay, I've taken care of it. Okay, now the portfolio is rising. Now then, let's do this right now. I want WYY, Y point here, and I want NVIDIA here. NVDA. Okay. Okay. That'll do. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. Right, here we go. Let me check the time. Wow, we've got 13 people today in the extra channel. It's amazing because remember, that's members only, which is lovely. So really great. Really great. 1 hour 3. Here we go. 1.03. Okay. It's NVIDIA, it's AI, it's everything to do with enterprise network data security today in a very special way. NVIDIA earnings tonight and in just a few minutes time by the time you've watched this video, because it will be 10 a.m. Central Time, which is May 22nd. So when you're watching this, it's already happened or it's happening live right now. I'm interviewing the CEO live on my show as part of our Meet the CEO series of WidePoint, WYY. You cannot afford to miss this because we have got a huge day ahead of us today with NVIDIA, expecting to see NVIDIA go through $1,000. The markets are down today because everyone is dumping the S&P before they to buy it back, the rally, or of course protect themselves if it misses. But the anticipation is it won't. But why it's important today is because we're going to be speaking directly with the CEO of WidePoint, which is all about data, security, technology, all this kind of thing. And I want to be talking to him and learning their relationship with big tech, AI, what their relationship is with Google, NVIDIA. And we're going to be speaking directly today in person, live on the show, unedited, unscripted. He's no idea what I'm going to ask him. And it's going to be very, very enlightening. So here he is. This is Jen, the CEO of WidePoint, live on my show. You can't afford to miss this on the day NVIDIA is going to have its earnings. So we're going to be learning about this company today. We're going to learn more about AI, and you can ask your questions. If you are a member of our channel and you'd like to put questions to him live in the show, you can. Now, it's going to be very, very busy, I'm sure, and we'll only be able to answer some of the questions because it could be very busy. If you want to guarantee your question gets answered and asked of the CEO, the way to do that is this. I will share with you. If you go to the homepage of the channel and you look on the videos tab and you scroll down here, you will see a couple of videos here. You will see the WidePoint interview trailer and the WidePoint mini analysis. Here you can see it, and you can go below these videos and comment, and these comments to these videos I will use in the interview here this morning, in fact, in just an hour and a few minutes from now. So there you go. On the day that we learn about AI and NVIDIA, and it's a big day. We've got WidePoint live on the show. Join us. It's not one you can afford to miss. I'm very excited to learn more directly from the CEO himself. So we're going to learn all about it today. Click above my head for the links down below in the description, pinned to the top of the comments and the description. And over here is the live event. Down here, I'll put the playlist for WidePoint. More information, more charts, more technical, more fundamentals as it comes out will be in that playlist. You cannot afford to miss this. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. That is going to go out in just a minute. FFIE, Faraday Future. Okay, Faraday Future. Let's have a little look here. Let's have a little look. This is important. Oh, there it is. That's what I want to show. Okay. 103. Oh, that was what was that? That was WYY NVDA. FFIE now. Okay. And what's the time now? The time is 107. 07 FFIE. Okay. FFIE, Faraday Future, Intelligent Electric, AI Explosion. Everything's gone bonkers this morning. There's a frenzy for this stock. Let me show you some information and some very important analysis as well. Let's look at this. We put out a video last night on Faraday Future. AI short squeeze was predicted by ChatGPT. It's our fastest ever growing video of all time. 100 times our average. It's our fastest ever growing video. We asked, and Sensei asked ChatGPT lots of questions about FFIE, and it predicts a short squeeze. There it is. And this video is out now. If you want that, I'll give you the link above my head down below in the description, also pinned to the comments of this video. You can go and check it. However, it's very, very important to mention that because this stock is trending and it's a meme, everyone's interested in it and everyone's talking about it, and that's why this video is blown up. However, let me give you a warning here and full disclosure. 100%, I do not own this stock, never will own this stock, only because, and that's not because I'm saying it's no good or whatever. I only own the S&P, so you know that my views are real, unbiased. I'm not pumping, I'm not dumping. I'm not in a little army somewhere saying, hey boys, let's buy it, just to dump on it. Absolutely not. I am here to protect everybody and give you the right information, the best information, unbiased, to protect my members. It's great, very exciting that AI is saying there's a chance that this stock will short squeeze. That's great. However, I'm also here to warn my members. I believe the stock will ultimately go to zero, because I have looked at the balance sheet, the fundamentals, the numbers, what's going on. I'm talking to people behind the scene at the company through X and Instagram, being evicted from the premises, can't pay the bills, not selling cars, not making any money. All of that ultimately, in my opinion, and I can be wrong, of course, is going to take the stock to zero. However, does that present opportunity for you? Possibly. You could short the stock, but of course it could crash down, it could go up. No one knows where the stock is going. ChatGPT, in a wonderfully presented video from Sensei, is predicting a good chance of a short squeeze. But that's up to you to make your financial decisions based upon what ChatGPT is doing. Maybe it's going to be right. I don't know. This isn't financial advice. I'm not in the stock. I'm not here to pump and dump it. I'm just here to protect my members and make sure that you are fully aware of the risks, understand the numbers. Many people have messaged me and saying they don't care about the balance sheet. They don't care about the numbers. They don't care. All they care about is how many people that they can get into Reddit rooms to buy the stock. And that's great. Or short the stock, or whichever way you want. That's absolutely great, and I wish you luck. I just want to make sure that we balanced out the argument. It doesn't matter to me whether it goes up, down, or sideways. I only own the S&P, but I am speaking to people on the ground. I am getting feedback from every source possible known to man, because I see all the comments, all the things that are being said by everyone, everywhere. I've got a whole team of Lucas aides in my army letting me know what's going on. Give me the sentiment, the facts, the information on the ground. Now then, if you are really serious about making money with Faraday Future, and you're not just guessing and hoping that things are going to turn out right, you might want to look at this. This is very, very important. We have just done a full chart analysis on the video. This is 44 times our average. Very popular video. You want to go and check that out. But also, you might want to know what is being said behind the scenes. You want to know the information of what's going on the ground. And you might care about the balance sheet. You might care about the politics or the news or whatever. And if you do, you go to playlists. You go to playlists, and then you sort by last video added, so you know it's the latest in order of the playlist. And you will scroll to the top and you'll see that the latest playlist is live now, where I am right now. But you will see right here at the top, the Faraday playlist. And in this playlist, you can click on it. There are 21 videos, and you can see all the news, all the information, all in one place. Very, very important for you to look at. We've got the short, we've got the red flag, how sentiment is changing on X. We've got a poll running right now in live, in real terms, in live. You can see what people are saying, how the sentiment is changing, the comments. You're not just getting one view in a Reddit room. You're getting the global information. We go live to 61 countries in 14 languages. We might know a little bit about it, all right? You've got the charts, you've got some mini analysis, you've got a meme stock, you've got going to zero, lottery ticket, the earnings calls. We've covered the earnings. We know what they're saying. We know what the CEO said when he turned around and said, we're not trying to sell cars, we're trying to build a brand. That is what you're buying. So just be aware of all of that. And again, you might not care. You're not bothered. You don't care what the company is, and that's absolutely fine. Do what you like. But I want to make sure that you are fully informed and you have all the information. So this is the very first time I have made any video where I've given you the playlist on the stock, the individual stock, shown you so you can get all the information that you want, all right? Very, very important to make sure that you are armed with all the information. Because if you are one of those or many of those in a room on Reddit and they're going, hey boys, keep buying, or hey, keep shorting, or whatever it is you want to do, trust me, we have done so much research on this, so much evidence, so many polls. We know that when a bunch of people sit in a room and say, hey, we're all buying it, it only takes one to start selling it, and everyone dumps it on everyone. So just bear that in mind. There's no honor amongst thieves. Someone said the other day on Reddit, I saw it, they said, Martyn Lucas is calling us all thieves. I'm not calling you thieves at all. I'm using the phrase, there's no honor amongst thieves. That's what I'm saying. If you are pumping a stock with no value whatsoever, zero value, not saying you can't make money, you can make money at a casino. Do I gamble? No. Can you make money? Yes. Will the house always win? Statistically, yes. Ultimately, you will lose. That's just the way it works. I want to protect my members and provide you with the information so you are fully aware. Click above my head for the links down below in the description. You'll find as well the playlist. I'll pin it to the top of the comments. I'll pin it to the top of the
Evan Hans has become a member.
Thank you, Evan Hans, another member. 98% of our live viewers are members. Higher than Mr. Beast, higher than any channel in the world. We're very, very proud of that. So down below in the description, above my head, and over here, I will put Sensei's most popular video of all time. It's our fastest growing video and our 7th highest viewed video at the moment. Probably going to end up about maybe 4th. It's not going to beat me, just saying. I'm still number 1. Only just. Over might last 5 minutes. People prefer the younger guy. What can I say? How to get rich. I'm telling you how to be careful. No one cares what I say. Right, go over here. It's my channel though, right? Go over here and I'll put the video to Sensei's video. You don't want the link to Sensei's video. And down here, I'll put that very important playlist of everything you need to know for 61 countries, 14 languages around the world, everything you need to know on Faraday. At least then you can make an informed, managed risk decision and you won't end up losing your money. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Okay. Evan Hans, just become a member of our channel. Welcome to our channel. Evan, I'm going to give you now I'm going to give you a couple of things that you might want. Just bear with me 1 second. Here's the how and why video, how you get all the perks and benefits. There are so many benefits, I can't explain them all. So watch that. It will tell you how to get onto Discord. It will tell you how to, get all the reviews and there's so many things. The free song request on Friday, the music concert, the earnings, I mean, you name it, all right? But very, very quickly, I'll give you a few links. You ready? Here it comes. Ready to get inundated. Here's Alpha Spread. As a member now, this link you can take yourself here and get the full analysis software that I use for free. If you want the full version that I use, my membership, the membership that you pay, the discount you get will make the membership free. So Alpha Spread is an absolute gift. CNBC doesn't give a discount like that. Mad Money doesn't give a discount like that. This is the best discount you can get. So please take advantage of that. Remember, it's free. They don't pay me to make reviews. They don't pay me to give it to you for free. However, if you do go for the premium plan, it basically works out, my membership becomes free. They pay me a one-time commission, about $15. Just so you know, I get about $15 one time. That's it. Never get any money again. Just so you know. Very important. There's Alpha Spread. Make sure you take advantage of that. Instagram, if you want to know my trades before I make them. There's Facebook. There's Rumble. There's X. X is very important. It runs in partnership with this channel. I tell you, before I'm buying the S&P, when the market is crashing, before I do it, and I tell you exactly how much I'm spending with my real money, all my money, every single time. There's X. There's the all links button. If you want all the links in one place, martynlucas.com. You can phone into the show live. You can have live reviews, questions answered, members only videos, members only live streams, 12 hours a day. The extra channel. You can now join that as a member here for 99 cents. And you can be live with the family 12 hours a day. If you're worried, concerned, hey guys, should I sell? Should I buy? What's going in? And you will meet the friendliest person ever on YouTube in the world, just behind Mike and Sensei. You have James 007. He's the most positive, energized, supportive person you will ever wish to meet. He lives in here 12 hours a day. And before anyone says it, we get trolls all the time saying, only sad people follow Martyn Lucas. How could they not be sad? They're live 12 hours a day. How can that possibly be right? Many of my members, nearly all of my members, tell me and told me they're working professionals. That I've got stockbrokers, financial advisors that are working with me on big screens in their offices while they're working. They mute me when a client comes in, turn it on and off. People are busy working and have multiple screens while they're working. So just because you see James in here all day long doesn't mean he's just staring at a screen. He could be working, running a business, whatever. And many of my members are the same. Mike is very busy, but he always has the screen on, always listening when he walks around the house, does his business or whatever, and all the rest of it. So just understand that because people are in here all day doesn't mean they're just they're just kids at home in their mum. These are all grown-ups, all right? Okay, successful people. So there's the extra channel. You get that as well. What else do I'm going to give you? The all links. There's Discord. I've explained that. And I think we're good. All right. Now then, I have got to get off because I've got to put these videos out very, very quickly. I've also got to hire Stephen Lewandowski. Which video charts or AI video? Which video? Charts or AI video? Sensei, I've missed the comment. I'm not sure what you mean. Which video? Charts or AI video? Oh! Which video? What is number one? I'm not sure now. You've lost me. Right. Okay. I've got to go. I'm going to send this live stream directly now to the extra channel as I prepare to meet our CEO. So if you want to be part of this and how you can afford to miss it, I don't know. How often do you get the chance? In fact, I don't think if you followed Bloomberg, CNBC, Meet Kevin, Graham, Stapan all at the same time, you'd be able, on the day NVIDIA does earnings, I don't think you would be able to speak directly with a CEO who runs an AI tech security network company. I don't think you'd be able to. But with us, that's exactly what you get. Enterprise, that was the word I was looking for. So I'm going to give everybody now the link to the extra channel. You need to be in the extra channel. Now, whether you're a member or not, you can be in there and listening. You just can't chat unless you are a member. It's 99 cents. Otherwise, everyone can be in there. Go in there and you will see me have my preliminary setup meeting with the CEO. You will hear behind the scenes what is going on. You will hear behind the scenes what is going on. So go into the extra channel right now. I'm going to put out these videos. I'm going to be back around about 10 o'clock. It's scheduled for 10 o'clock. Around about 10 o'clock, Our CEO will be live with me before then, just a few minutes before, probably, and you'll be able to hear him in the chat on Extra, learning behind the scenes what he thinks about NVIDIA tonight, what he thinks about interest rates, what he thinks about enterprise and the whole situation there where consumers don't have any money, but big business does. All right. Very, very important stuff. All right. Which video are you putting on? Which video are you putting on? Is it the which one is more popular, AI or chart video? What do you mean? Which video am I putting on? Oh, at the end of the video? Is that what you mean? You tell me, Sensei, it's your video. Tell me what you like. Anyway, you can call me now if you want. You can call me on the phone. Check out Breakfast Bar. Okay, very quick. I'm out of here in 10 seconds. Seth. This is what I'm doing. Listed there. Here we go. Oh, I see. This is what I'm doing while listening to you. This is what Seth Houston is doing while watching the show. Not sad people doing nothing. There you go. This is what Seth Houston is doing right now, driving down the road on a grass cutter. I'm loving it. There you go. Thank you for that. I love that. That is what Seth Houston, one of our members, who's got a 6-month badge, I beg your pardon, is doing right now. He's driving down the road on his grass cutter, cutting his customers' grass, busy out working. There you go. Very important, that. Right. Never read my comments. 0. I do read your comments. I read everyone's comments. Absolutely. I'm filling up a propane tank right now as I'm listening. There you go. 0. I do read all your comments. I do read all the comments. I read all of the members' comments. The only channel in the world, I think. I don't know, but I can't imagine anyone is crazy enough to do this. Honestly, 3 years, 12 hours a day? I don't think there's many people daft enough to even want to do it. All right, there we go. All-time highs today, 89,924. Will we reach $90,000 today? We will if NVIDIA beats. No doubt about it, right? No doubt about it if NVIDIA beats today. No doubt in my mind whatsoever. Sorry, it's so loud. Don't worry about that. I can mute it. I've got a button called mute. Right, I'm out of here. Ed Nevius, he's also sent me a video. He's busy as well. What the heck's he doing? He's taking a car apart. I've got to go. Everybody, I've got no time. I've got to get videos out. Sensei might want to call me. We've got a live interview coming up shortly. You will see the build-up in the Extra channel. Folks, I've got to go really, really quick. End the screen. Let me roll the credits out of respect to those that became stars of our show today. Here we go. Here are the stars of our show today. We have more subscribers. Jose, Midwest Travel, One Crush, members, Britt Holland, Simon Jones, Evan Hands. More members today. Thank you so much indeed. Appreciate that. I've got to go. We've got a timeline. We're very, very tight. I've got a lot of work to do. See you back in a minute. Join me on the Extra channel, and I'm out of here. Join me for the biggest Meet the CEO event of the year so far. Bye-bye for now. Take care of yourselves and each other. Oh, Martyn, you will be at 100,000 very soon. We'll be at 100,000 within 12 months. That's where we expect to be. You should all post in Discord that we do what we do while listening, and Martyn can make a video on it. That would be fun. Here we go. All right, join James 007. He's there to welcome you all in and tell you all about it. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Be with me. I'll give you the link when the main event starts. You can't afford to miss it.